Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Diffle puzzle. This is Wordle, but we don't know how long the word is. I usually like to start with a word that's got all the vowels in, but let's try something different today, and let's hope this doesn't give me too many problems. It does try 8 different letters, so it should be helpful, but let's find out if not using the A, I and U is a good plan. Wow, the only letters we've got are the vowels, so there probably isn't an A, I or U, given that we've already got an E or an O. But there might be. We don't know for sure. The O and the E are yellow. That means they appear in the word, but they're in the wrong order. So basically, in this case, that means the E is somewhere earlier than the O in the word, which is a bit unexpected. It's not going to be an ED or an ER ending or anything like that. And it can't be people. So what can it be? Could be a DE beginning or an EX beginning. Let's just try a bunch of new letters. We'll try execution. That's plausible. It's got an E earlier than an O, and it doesn't use any words we haven't ruled out, or we have ruled out. You know what I mean. Ah, okay. So everything's green, so the E is earlier in the word than the TION. The TION are also joined together, as you can see. That means they're consecutive, and they've got a hard border on the right. So that means they're definitely the last 4 letters of the word. They're not round, like you could see in the first row. And similarly, the E is the first letter of the word, because it's got a hard border on the left. So, E something, TION. We don't know how many words, or how many letters rather, are between the E and the T. But we do know that there isn't another E or a U in that gap. So it's not going to be equation. What could it be? Evasion would be SION, not TION. So this is trickier to think of options than it feels like it should be. What's the second letter going to be for a start? Because I mean, TATION, I suppose, is plausible. I mean, it can't be exaggeration. There is a character limit of 10 as well, so even if we hadn't ruled out the X and the R, it couldn't have been exaggeration. Evaluation, clearly not. Oh, just could be emotion. Oh no, it can't be, because we've ruled out the M. We could duplicate the O or the I, though. I do need to remember that. Devotion would work, except that E has to be first. Emission, anything like that would use SION rather than TION, so that's not going to be correct, even if we could go for emission, which we can't because we've ruled out the M. I don't know what is a sensible thing to do here, because we've just got the start and the end of the word. It feels like it should be so easy, but it's not. Oh, addition, that works. Let's try a duplicated I. Oh, it's correct. I don't really like duplicating letters, but I duplicated the E on the previous guess, and I had to duplicate the I there just because I couldn't think of anything else that worked. So that was a bit more of a struggle than it feels like it should have been, but happy to have solved it in only 3. So thank you for watching. How did you get on with this? Were you shouting addition at the screen? Well done if you were. And thank you for watching this edition of the Diffle puzzle. Bye for now.